So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to measure your heart rate manually with your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. Okay, so what you need to do is simply from the watch face, swipe to the left and keep swiping, looking for the heart rate tile. Okay, and if you don't find it, you'll get to the end where there's this plus symbol called add tiles. So let's tap on it to add the heart rate tile. So here you'll see a list of tiles, so many different tiles that you can add. You want to go to the health section here, Samsung Health, and find the heart rate tile. So here it is. Tap on it and it's going to be added. So from now on, you can swipe from the watch face through the tiles and you should find the heart rate tile. There you go. And so to measure your heart rate, it's very simple. Simply tap on measure. It's going to start preparing, doing its thing, trying to measure your heart rate. And there is my heart rate. Okay. So if you want to, you can tag this to either general, resting, after exercise, before exercise, or depending on what time you took that heart rate. Okay. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and take another heart rate reading. And that's basically how to measure your heart rate manually on the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. Now, of course, you have options for automatic heart rate measurement, which if you want to, I'll leave that video in the description below so you can check that out and see how to enable automatic heart rate measurements. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.